Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through how to add a payment method on Snapchat ads in 2025. If you are running ads on Snapchat, you will need a payment setup to keep your campaign running smoothly. Let's dive right in. The first step is log into Snapchat Ads Manager. First, go to the ads.snapchat.com and log in with your Snapchat business account. Once you are in, you add dashboards. Then go to billing and payment. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. From the drop down, select billing and payment. This is the where all your payment methods and invoice are managed. Then click on add payment method, and Snapchat usually supports credit or debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc. And PayPal in supported regions. In some case, monthly invoice if you are a large ad- advertiser. Then enter your payment details, fill in your card or PayPal information carefully. Double check the billing address matches your bank detail to avoid errors. Once done, hit save. Here you can see this. Then set as a primary payment. After savings, you will see your new payment method listed. Make sure to set it as your primary method so Snapchat automatically charges it for your ads. So test with a small campaign before launching big ads. It's smart to test and create a small campaign and let Snapchat charge you new payment method. If it works, you are all set. And that's it. That's how you add a payment method on Snapchat ads in 2025. It only takes a few minutes, and once set up, you can focus on scaling your campaign without payment interruptions. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channels.